Welcome. I thought I'd share with you this time my gluten-free chocolate chip cookie recipe. I got a selection of ingredients there: golden syrup, butter, 2 types of gluten-free flour and egg, and I'm going to mix it up. So big blobs of butter. You can heat this up even in a microwave, which is okay. Can tend to explode over the microwave, or you put it on a saucepan of boiling water, which is what most people would do. Don't usually put the chocolate first, just because it takes too long, and you certainly wouldn't want to put that much chocolate in, because the cookies wouldn't even taste very nice. It'd just be chocolate with cookie. So I think you need to have a little bit of moderation. So as you can see, put a big chunk of butter in. You mess it about a bit with your fingers because that makes it less hygienic. Then you put it on a stove for heat. A little bit of chocolate in there for flavour. Loads of golden syrup because it's really unhealthy as well. And you let that heat up. And then once that got to a good temperature, I just turned it off because the boiling water was going to melt it anyway. And after that, I want to whip up my egg. There's chocolate in the bowl, but that's just because I couldn't be bothered to clean it out. There's no reason for that. And it's going to get mixed in later anyway, so it doesn't really matter that much. So just mix it up a bit, make it break apart, a little bit of fluffy there. And you can see I've added a bit of milk there, a bit of melted chocolate in this one, or you can even add Nutella, like I did in this one, to make him a chocolate chip cookie, which is okay. They tend to burn a little bit with the Nutella, so in this particular one I didn't use it. Using a whisk is a waste of time. I would tend to use a spoon or your hands, but hands is a bit messy, and this flour as well goes really dry really quick, so I had to keep adding milk, and you end up with something with the consistency of a wet cement, I guess. That's when you're good. It's really difficult to manage. So when I was actually forming them, I made my hands wet first, and then I could release the cookie dough from my fingers. As you can see, I'm cutting up bits of chocolate here for the chocolate chip cookies. Doesn't really matter, do it any way you like. And these ones are just big chunks of chocolate chip cookie inside each cookie, and they came out really nice. So you can see they're a little bit wet from where I had wet hands to try and release them from my hands. Had a cup of coffee, shove them in the oven. They were in for about 20-25 minutes, 180 degrees Celsius. I don't like them too cooked, so as you can see they're cooked underneath, but the top looks quite uncooked, and inside it's perfect and hot. And that's it. Thanks for watching.